Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook copy so you can revert if needed. Locate the worksheet with the outline. You should see grouping bars or +/- symbols at the left or top. Once located, make sure you're on the exact sheet and that no filters or protected sheet settings interfere. The reason is simple. Outlines are sheet-level groupings, so you must operate on the active sheet. Now, select the entire sheet to ensure the removal will catch every grouped range. With the sheet selected, go to the Data tab and use Ungroup. Start by choosing Ungroup right arrow Clear Outline to remove all levels at once. If Clear Outline is not visible, repeatedly use Ungroup at each level. You might need to click Ungroup multiple times until the +/- icons disappear. The why? Excel stores outlines as nested group levels. Clearing the outline removes those nesting markers. Make sure to check both rows and columns, because outlines can exist independently in each orientation. Finish by confirming the +/- icons and grouping bars have vanished. Scroll the sheet to ensure no residual grouping remains. If hidden rows or columns persist, select the entire sheet and choose Unhide. Outlines sometimes leave ranges hidden. If the Clear Outline command didn't work, check for sheet protection. Unprotect the sheet and repeat the process, because protected sheets block outline changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if grouping still reappears, check for macros that recreate outlines and disable them before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.